Hello, Year 12. Welcome to your HSC course. You have completed Year 11. Congratulations. That is such an amazing achievement. You are now well on your way to completing your HSC. Good job. So what I'm going to do with you guys today is I'm going to run you through the first part of your first HSC unit, which is on plants, and we have called this unit From the Ground Up. And the reason we've called it that is because you guys are going to learn about the importance of plants right from the beginning. So right from the seed stage all the way through to the end of the production line, which is where you guys get them on your plate to eat. Delicious. So that's what this whole unit is going to be about. It's about the growth of plants from start to finish, where they end up. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you through the first week's worth of work for this task, which we will actually do as a family. So how these Zooms are going to work is you're actually expected to have already read the information and attempted the activities before you come to our weekly Zooms. Our Ag Zooms are going to be on Wednesdays. You are expected, as I said before, to have already looked at and attempted the work before you come to the Zoom. The Zoom sessions are not, hey Rach, give us the answer time. It's, hey Rach, I attempted this question, but I don't quite understand it. Can you help me? And that will help everyone in the lesson go through and make sure you guys have everything right for your understanding, okay? So again, you're expected to have already looked at this work before you come to your Zoom sessions, except for this first one. This first week's worth of work we're actually going to do as a family because you haven't had enough time to actually look at the work before you come to your Zoom on Wednesday. We're aware of that. We know about it, so you're not expected to have looked at it for this first week, but for subsequent weeks, please be aware that you are expected to have already looked at and attempted the work. So let's go ahead and have a look at what you are doing for week 1. It's really straightforward lead into this plant topic. It's an introduction to the importance of plants. So why are plants so important in agriculture? I'm pretty sure you guys can already answer that question, but we'll go through it as a family and we'll have a really cool discussion about it. So all you're expected to do is have a read through all of these little tidbits of information being held up by these cute little plant pot guys, and then do the activities on page number 3. And that's all there is. Not very many. That's all the activities there are to do. If you've had a go at these beforehand, absolutely fabulous. You're amazing. Well done. If not, again, we're going to go through this as a family. So we'll have a look at this and read through it as a family, and then we will have a discussion so you guys can all fill in your answers on your own workbooks. So please make sure that you have these little workbooks in front of you with a pen when we do our Zoom sessions. We'll go over it all. You can make sure all the answers are filled in, and then we can, of course, go ahead and do something fun at the end of the lesson as well. So our Zooms aren't 100% work related. We will have some fun in those Zooms too, okay? So that's it. That's all you're expected to do for week 1. Keep your eyes peeled for things to have a look at for week 2 and week 3 over the coming weeks of lockdown, but I am really looking forward to seeing all of your faces on Zoom, and I'm even more looking forward to seeing all your faces when we get back to face-to-face learning. So I hope you've all had a wonderful break. Welcome to Year 12, you wonderful, wonderful humans, and I will see you soon. Bye.